Happy New Year, Charlie. This be 2024. This year, you know they agree give anybody, right? And this is Charlie what happened with Stagger. If you know subscribe, I beg. This year you watch subscribe, mommy. Won't even be share now on subscribe. Straight up. In Tiasa Yejuma. Sharp. So today, first episode 2024, first content. I get international guest with you. International, just yeah, they starting here no sharp. So before I go introduce some. Just stay where you did right now. Go subscribe and everything. They try to see come right now. Sharp.
Chale, what it happened? Chale, what it happened? Make I tell you something. Something made my inside. Get it make I weak, get it make I.
Yeah, so Charlie, welcome back to Charlie. What happened with Stagger? It's time to introduce my guest. I will allow him make he introduce him body some more. But yes, this I won't say French, Charlie. Before carry your music and things for school because it be French interview. Me, I'm the international guy. You understand? Charlie. So you understand, Charlie?
Official.
Hey, African say, easy. Straight. I thought you say international guest too.
Hello everybody.
Sharp.
My name is OTHA Bradley. So I came from Gabon and I'm here for 6 years now. So I just got my bachelor degree in management studies at Methodist University.
Okay.
And now I am at Chale.
What happened?
What happened?
Yeah, Charlie, what happened?
Chale, what happened? So they invite me to talk about my life in Ghana.
Comment ça va?
Je vais bien, toi?
Très bien, merci. Yeah, Charlie, that be all the French I know. So that yeah, you said you've been in Ghana for 6 years.
Yes, this is my fifth year.
This is your 6th year.
Yes.
So what made you move from Gabon to Ghana?
I came here because of studying and mostly because of English. Because in my country we don't speak English, so came here to learn English, and after that I've decided to continue my program.
Okay. So you came here to get your degree.
Yes.
But why? Just because of the English?
Yes.
That you,
because of
okay.
English, yes.
Okay. But for somebody who has been speaking French like throughout for most parts of your life,
Yes.
your English is on point. So just 6 years in Ghana and
yeah, we thank God. We thank God because of like having Ghanaian friends, going to school, trying to read some books, and that's it.
You look like some very smart guy, right? Your mind they were. Look, grasping language is very hard.
Yes.
Especially if the more you are growing, the less your ability to grasp language it goes down. So and for people who speak English, there's this myth about if you speak English, it's harder to learn French than for you to learn English.
Yes.
If you speak French,
Yes, it's better to learn English. French is.
It's easier to learn English.
Yes, it's easier.
Yeah.
French is more difficult than English.
You
have to make the difference between this and that. Or in French, in English, you can just say, give me the glass.
Yeah.
And in French, you have to precise if it is masculine or
Charlie.
feminine.
So glass is masculine or feminine?
Glass is masculine. Charlie. So the thing is, you have to make the difference. Always make the difference.
Okay, but what goes? I don't know. You're not the person who brought French or anything, but
of course.
But what goes into the decision to make something masculine? Why is glass masculine? Why is it not feminine?
Okay. The best answer will be when I came in Ghana, the one who received me, I was asking her some question. Why do you say that to me? How do you say this? She said it is not a language, so just do it. Okay. The same thing. Okay. It is not my language.
So you just follow.
I came and
sharp.
That is masculine.
All right. So make I just chip in this. You see, there's this Jollof war going on in Africa, mostly Ghana and Nigeria. And we hear Jollof originated from Senegal. Most people say it started in Senegal.
Okay.
In your country, is that like Jollof de Gabon?
Jollof no de.
Jollof no de Gabon?
Jollof no de.
At all. Hey. Okay, so like rice dishes, it's just the rice, just like
rice, yes.
Fried rice,
no, not fried rice, just rice.
Just rice.
Just rice. And the red rice.
Red rice.
Yes.
Okay, before we started, you mentioned the red
Yes.
rice. Difference between red rice and jollof rice.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing, but you
Yes.
call it red rice.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But they are not using the same. They are all using tomatoes, but they
Okay.
don't use the same spices.
Okay.
They
So
are
what's your favorite Ghanaian dish?
Uh, before it was Jollof, but I think I'm done with Jollof. Frankly speaking, I'm done with Jollof. Right
Okay.
now, I don't have.
You don't have? Then it's still jollof.
Yes, you can
Have you
say
tasted Nigerian jollof before?
not yet.
You won't like it.
I won't like
No,
it.
no, 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 you won't like it. If you Ghana jollof, no. Yeah, yeah. But apart from jollof, what other dishes have you tried here in Ghana?
I've tried watching. I
Okay.
think only Jollof and watching. Fried rice, too, but I don't really like fried rice. Fried
Okay.
rice. Between fried rice and Jollof, I prefer Jollof.
Prefer jollof.
Yes. And only fried rice and
The
only
jollof is
Jollof
good.
and
And wachi.
Mhm.
Nice one, nice one. We left here, I will organize some wachi, some special
No
wachi.
problem. Party watch.
Sharp one, sharp one. Okay, so just tell me about your experience in Ghana. Like, just try and summarize. What has been your most challenging time here in Ghana?
Well, okay. When I came, it was very difficult. Like
Mm.
when I just came in Ghana at the airport, the sun was scorching.
Sure.
I said, well, where I am I in the hell or I
Hey,
wanted to go back because the
Chale.
sun was too much. And
Chale.
I came in the afternoon.
Okay.
And
Which
after
season or which month did you come?
September, ending of September,
Okay.
ending of September. And after that, it was okay. And to speak, it was very difficult. The
Yeah,
only word I
yeah.
knew was why. When they talk to me, why? When they talk to me, why? So it was not easy. And yes, and after that, I remember
Okay.
I was living at West Legon.
Mm-hmm.
I was at La Paz, and normally the car that I was supposed to take was Acho Medina, but I took Medina.
Acho.
No, Medina.
Hey.
So I went to Medina. I said, "Oh, where I am? I saw a lot
Hey.
of car. You know, in Gabon, there's no. Ghana is not. It's bigger than Ghana.
Okay,
Ghana,
yeah, sure.
but we are not plenty. The population is just 2 million. So I saw a
Oh,
lot of car. So
wait. Gabon is bigger than Ghana,
yes,
but the population is just
2 million.
2 million.
Yes, you can say now 3 million. Let's say 2 million. Obviously, 2
Ghana
million.
is overpopulated, Papa.
You are more than 30 million.
Yeah, I mean, let's say that even if we are 30 million and we are smaller than your country, so if they migrate Ghanaians or go put Gabon, oh God,
We are very small.
wow,
Yes, we are small.
wow, that's an interesting fact. 2 million
Just 2 million.
and peace of mind go dey there, pound.
No, no peace of mind.
There's no peace of mind.
No, no, in
Okay,
Africa.
I mean, I get you. So you're saying the car took you to Medina?
Yes, Medina, and I saw that. I said, why I am? Thank God I was with my friends.
Okay.
So we tried to, it was better than me in English at that time. So we tried to ask questions.
Ask around.
And after that, I went to school and it was okay. I graduated for the English school.
Okay.
And in 2020, during the COVID, that's my first, I can say my first challenge in Ghana. I bought a place and the Lord told me that my contract expired since 2 months. I said, how? If it expires since 2 months, you're supposed to tell me that normally your contract has expired. I came in your house in November, but I gave you the money in September. How come my contract expired? He said, no, you owe me. I said, I don't owe you.
In terms of rent.
In terms of rent.
Okay.
When I know that I'm right, I'm right. No one can convince me that I'm not right.
Okay.
So he came and sacked me. So he took all my things out. And when I wanted to go, he collects my fridge, TV, freezer, fan, everything. Said, if you don't give me my money, I won't give you your TV. I said, oh, okay, I don't owe you.
That was what, like a year after you moved in or 2 years after you moved in?
Yes, 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
So how long did you think you had left? Like a month or two?
A month.
You had a month left,
Yes.
but he was insisting that your time was up.
My time was
And
up.
he seized. But if your time is up, the person should be able to go in peace.
In peace.
I mean,
But he
why
said
do you
no.
seize
He said that oh him because for him when you gave the money today, this month, your contract expire.
So we are
month
in
before,
January.
yes.
So assuming you pay in January, he's saying it will expire in
In
December.
I said you didn't tell me that earlier. You're
It's
supposed
not
to.
even supposed to be that.
Yes,
I mean,
you're
don't you know how
supposed.
to count 12 months?
No, but normally it was right. No, it was right.
Was he?
Yes, it was right. But
Okay.
he didn't explain. So you're supposed to explain it to
So
me.
okay, so January inclusive.
Yes.
That's how he counted it.
Yes. He said like 1 year is January to December. It's not January to
That
January.
is if the person is counting.
A
I
year.
mean,
You are renting a
them-
year. But for him,
no, my understanding is say if I did January, 1 month from now is February, right? So 1 month is what? February, like that. But the person counted January inclusive.
yes.
Maybe that be how it did.
Yes, but you're supposed
I mean, in
to
some places, yeah.
advise me or tell me before that
Okay.
when you enter my place, this is how it's supposed to be.
Okay,
But
okay.
he did fail to tell me. He told me. So he gets
But all the
fired.
things that he seized, it's more than the 1 month. I mean, debt that you owed
I
him.
said no.
So
no
you left it
problem.
for him.
Yes, I left it for him.
Oh, your face, fan, TV.
But I know that I'm right.
Okay.
So you can't.
So you
blame
left
my
him
hand.
for faith. I mean, karma. Wow.
Wow, it was very difficult that way, but by the grace of God, I could buy
Wow.
another stuff. And
That's a very bad experience you had in Ghana. I'm sure you thought Ghanaians are very
no,
wicked.
It's not because of that I have a bad judgment about Ghana.
Okay.
I love Ghana. Frankly
Okay.
speaking, I really love Ghana. I just wish to have a big business in my country and come and live in Ghana.
We will talk about that one.
Yes,
We
Ghana
will
is
talk about that. Me then you will talk about that one later. Otherwise, then we bust the business idea. Because too many people there. I mean, but okay. So you've had a very bad experience in Ghana in 2020.
2020.
2020, that's
20.
okay, 4 years ago. Are there any cultural similarities between Ghana and Gabon?
What I
Do we have
see
anything
now,
in common?
church.
Church.
Only church.
Okay.
But even church, Ghana is more, is quite different.
If you say church, I mean, how do you mean?
Like we like
Gabon,
church.
we like church.
Yes,
You guys don't like
We
church.
like church too.
Okay. Is it a Christian nation?
Yes, it's
Christian
like
nation. It's just like here, but it's just a language difference. But you want to say we get church for everywhere.
everywhere. And now we are starting to be like Ghana. Church here,
Everywhere,
left,
church.
left and right, left and right.
Okay.
And what surprised me in Ghana is when someone died, you take the body and everybody can see the body. I don't know if you understand what I mean.
During the
During
funeral,
the funeral,
we lay it in state.
yes.
Okay.
If someone was electrician, you can take the person and let
Hey,
it down
Ghana,
in front of
I
the
mean,
pole.
that is not the norm. That is actually not the tradition. It is
It's not the tradition.
no, it's because of modernization. People are overdoing things.
Oh, okay.
Like the person will be a carpenter, the person will die, then while the person is dead, do let the person be cutting wood. I mean, that is not the norm.
And
But,
I
people are
remember
overdoing things nowadays.
a day I was going to see my friends. It was in the ghetto. So I was passing behind the house and I saw a man, a dead body. He was standing wearing golf man with the kept everything like a golfer. So wow, I was shocked. Wow, I was just saying it in the video. Now I can see it.
In the ghetto.
In the ghetto.
Were they having a funeral?
Yes, funeral. Children are there. Say wow.
Like the person plays golf.
Maybe he liked playing golf. Yes, he liked playing golf.
I don't know if you explain. I mean, I can't explain why some Ghanaians do that, but
I thought it was,
traditionally,
tradition.
no. No. Our forefathers they even get angry.
Okay.
Traditionally, I mean, nowadays things have changed. I saw one guy whose funeral he had been dressed like I think he was a fufu pounder at a chop bar.
Okay.
I mean,
I think I have seen it too. I've seen it.
I don't know, but I think they're even stressing the dead body. I mean, come on. Okay, so you've been in Ghana for 6 years.
Yes.
I mean, during this time, you've had your degree in management studies.
Yes.
You've also learned to speak English. You've had a very bad experience with your landlord.
Yes.
Okay, but let's talk about say if you are comparing Ghana and Gabon, do you think there are, I mean, business opportunities in Ghana as compared to Gabon?
What I can say right now is at Gabon we are young.
Okay.
We are young, we are not plenty. We are just a small people, and I think we have time to grow. But right now, Ghana, there are more
Everywhere
opportunities,
choke. Eh.
yes, than Gabon.
There are more opportunities
Yes,
here than
more
Gabon.
opportunities.
Really?
Yes. I was having a small job,
Okay.
and I realized that it was on the mobile money.
Mobile money.
Yes.
Okay.
And I realized that mobile money compared to Gabon mobile money is not the same.
There's
Ghana
Momo
here,
in Gabon.
yes,
Okay.
like Airtel money,
Okay.
and mobile money here, they are more money than
Here, dear.
now. They are more money.
As
So
for Momo in
I
Ghana,
couldn't
dear,
understand why there were plenty kiosks.
yeah,
Mobile
you
money,
can see like four lined up, you know,
at
five.
the same area.
Yeah.
And I realized that yes, in Ghana there is money. And we are behaving like Ghana, there's no money in Ghana, but if there's no money, how can a lot of banks, a lot of mobile money, the market, this country, we have money. Now we have money. Is it good?
The country has money, or the
Yeah.
people have money. Which is which?
Both.
Both.
Yes, because
But Ghanaians don't think they have money.
they have money just because maybe of the mismanagement.
By Ghanaians or by government? Which
By
is which?
government.
By government.
Yes, by government.
And so the people don't have money.
They have money.
Are you
Who are
sure?
doing the transaction? They have money.
It's just a few people. Though. The majority of Ghanaians don't have money like
They
that.
go to bank. I always spend my time in the bank.
Okay.
Most of my time in the bank, and I can see the transaction.
Okay.
And I can see that Ghanaians.
But the
they
people
have
you
money.
see in that bank, how many are they?
Even the car in Ghana, cars. Talking about
Cars are expensive in Ghana.
but we have cars.
You see, so
And
it's the wealthy ones
no,
who have bought like
have you
many
seen
cars, like you know.
area like this area, for example,
Okay.
in my country, you can see the Maserati. But in Ghana here you can see Maserati.
This is Accra.
Driving.
Accra is Accra.
But everywhere.
But if you, no, you use Maserati everywhere in Accra.
But okay, but let's take
There are certain
Maserati.
areas that you
But we
see.
have Ferrari.
So it depends. You see, there in Gabon, I'm sure they have rich people area,
Not
like
like
a
Ghana.
residential area for rich people.
Not like this country.
Eh,
I'm in
I
Ghana,
see.
and what I'm seeing, we have the same car in in my country. Even I've seen Ferrari here in Ghana, but in my country I've never seen it.
I try to show you. I try to give you
We have
pressure.
it's for the government people.
It could even the one you saw could even be a rented Ferrari.
Even if it is rented, it's for a particular person.
True, true.
It's not for the government. It's not for you see.
People in Ghana have
Now
money.
people in Ghana have money,
Sure.
and this country have more opportunities. Maybe because I don't look deeper. That's why I can't really say. But based on some experiences, I can say, and I think that
Okay.
Ghana there are more opportunities than Ghana. But Gabon, our chances like we are just young, so we have time to
To
go.
explore. Do you have? Is there oil in Gabon?
Yes, there's oil.
There's oil in Gabon.
There's everything. Oil,
Oil,
gold,
gold, everything.
silver, iron. There's everything.
So what's the country's main exports? Main source of foreign exchange? Is it the oil or
It's
is
the
it
oil.
is the oil?
Yes. After the oil, I think the wood too.
Gold.
Wood. Yes, we have wood.
Like timber. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so let me just ask you, do you speak Chi?
Kaka kaka.
It's the same.
Yeah, no.
So, Namiado. Chale, you do one time. But how many languages are there in Gabon? Like, fair idea. Local languages.
I think 62.
Hey.
Yeah, 62 for 3 million people.
Hey, that's.
And
Wow.
Ghana, how many?
That's rich. Ghana, I don't even know, but there are many.
Okay.
Ghana, there are many.
But
I think it could be around the same number.
Okay.
Because if you go to the north alone, Many.
But we have four main language.
No. We have, okay, so that we don't have four main languages, but here in Accra, the main languages you might be hearing, you hear Fanti, you hear Chi, you hear Ga, you might hear a little bit of Hausa and Ewe.
Okay.
But if you go to the other regions, you will hear a language that me I've not heard before.
okay.
You go to like the Western region, Nzima, no, there are many. I can't start mentioning.
Okay.
Yeah, there are many. But it's good that you've learned a local.
Yes,
local
I'm
parlance.
fine. So before I didn't know that I could speak tree because I was very annoyed when I came here. Something I speak in local language, I speak
Yeah,
in local language.
yeah.
Why? Then after normal, you have to speak English. There's a capital, so you have to.
That was your
remain-
perception.
Yes, but then after that, I realized that normally they are right. So you
Yeah.
have to speak.
I mean,
Local
we don't
language.
speak English so much. We
Yes.
speak usually Pidgin.
Yes.
If you can't speak English and you can't speak the local dialects, if you try Pidgin, the person might be able to grasp and communicate. Is there something like broken French?
But speaking is it for you or Nigerian?
As for this argument, you know, I'll say it's for Ghana.
It's for Ghana.
Yeah, that is what I will say. And Nigerian will say it's for Niger.
Okay.
Yeah, but many other African countries also have their own Pidgin, not just Ghana and Nigeria. Is there something like that?
Yes, yes.
Broken French.
Broken French.
Chale.
Yes, we have broken French. And most of our broken French we use English word.
Oh,
Yes.
Afokam Gabon.
Let's say we are not Chinepa wise. You know
I'm not wise. So like you know wise.
You know why.
So
you are not wise.
if you were speaking formal French, you would have used a French word for wise,
Yes.
which is what?
Sagesse.
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 Not Sanchez.
I know wise is the verb. Like I was.
Oh, okay. French is too technical.
Yes,
But I have to learn. Okay. On to my next question. Um, I asked you about your most challenging experience. What has been your best time here in Ghana? Like any experience that you had a very good time?
Every day.
Every day.
Here is my good time. I'm happy to be here.
Sure.
Sharing experiences
Yeah.
and knowing the new friends.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's all about getting a new experience
Yes,
every day,
yes, every day.
exploring the country. That's where do you go to relax? The beach, pub. What do you do to relax here in Ghana?
I'm indoor.
Always indoor.
Yes.
What do you do? Karaoke.
Mm.
What do you do?
Listen to music,
Music.
thinking, and sometimes working on the phone.
Okay.
But
You don't go out.
Yes, I go
There are
out.
lots of
but
places you can go in
yes,
Ghana.
someone always take me out.
Okay. Who is that
Yes.
someone?
She's somewhere.
She's someone. She's somewhere. Okay.
Somewhere around here, I think.
Oh. If I look around, will I see her? Will I see
I
her?
think.
I'll see her. You better go see her. Me start with her. She takes you out and she makes sure you have a good time. Nice one. So where do you go to? Beach? Like I just want
Yes,
to know.
beach. Let's say restaurants.
I don't know. I don't really know the map like that. Is Gabon along the coast or is it?
Yes, along the coast.
So there are beaches
Yes,
in
but
Gabon.
not like
Ghana.
Ghana. Ghana is better than.
Oh, Ghanaian beaches are better.
Yes.
Ghana beach.
Yes, we are trying.
Hey, no, I don't think so.
I'm sure.
Okay, better in terms of what?
In terms of show.
Like, so there are so many events that go on in our beaches.
Yes.
That's what you mean. You guys don't patronize your beaches that much.
No.
You don't organize shows and.
Not like Ghana. It's only the telecommunication that organize show.
Who is the biggest musician in Gabon? I don't know if I know any musician from Gabon.
The kind. Which kind of music?
I don't know the types of music in Gabon.
It was difficult for me to answer this question.
It's difficult,
Very
but
difficult.
just give me just like three. Just a
okay,
few.
we have someone who's trying to imitate Shatawale. We have started with Shatawale remix. His name is Loazoha.
What?
Loazoha.
Charlie, search up, give me. We end up for play that person in song.
Okay.
Wazuha.
Wazuha, meaning the scare bird.
The
The scare bird.
the scared bird.
Yes.
The scary bird.
Yes. Not scary.
The scared bird.
Yes.
I see. Wazuha.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know any of the songs?
Yes, I know. Yes.
So I put you on the spot.
No, I can't know.
Why?
No, I can't. I'm not.
But you have to
singer, so
sing.
I'm not.
What is your favorite Ghanaian song?
My favorite Ghanaian songs. Commando.
Commando.
Yes.
So you're a Shatta fan.
No.
Or which?
Wale and Sarkozy.
Commando.
Mm.
Is it not
No,
came from
no, it's not confirmed.
Shatta Wale?
Shatawale, dance or commando.
Dance or Commando?
Yes. Commando. Commando.
Ah! Hey! That's a very old song.
Old
So
song.
hey Charlie. Oh, I see. That's your favorite song.
Yes, but in my country, we mostly listen to Ghanaian songs.
Eh.
Yes.
You don't. What about
Ghanaian
Nigerian songs?
Yes, Nigerians do both. They are the
Afrobeats.
famous in my country.
Oh, okay. They come there to do shows,
Yes.
or they don't
But
come
they
there
are,
much
no,
because
they
you
don't
guys are
come.
not many.
Yes, they don't. Yes, because they are not many and they are expensive too. I think maybe last year, August, they wanted to invite Shatawale and asked for how much was it? I think $25,000.
$25,000
Yes.
for Gabon.
Mm.
Satawale can charge more if he's in Ghana.
Really?
So for some shows, yeah, he charges.
$25,000.
He charges. Satawale charges a lot.
Wow.
Charges a
And
lot.
we are not many. So even if you come, we will be going
Yeah,
there.
that's the thing.
But here in Ghana, only in Accra, we are like 4 million.
Ghana, dear, overpopulated. In fact, Accra is
Yes,
overpopulated.
yes, Accra is overpopulated.
Yeah, but maybe the country can hold the population. But
Yes, of course.
Accra is overpopulated. So let me ask you this question. I mean, there was a coup recently in Gabon.
Yes, there was a point.
How many years was the then president? How many years had he?
It was a party. They have
Was
been
a
there
party.
for, let's say, 60 years.
But what is the normal period for regime? Is it 4 years?
It's 7. It was 7.
Okay.
But just last year, they put it 5 years.
After the coup, it was changed to 5 years.
No, before the coup.
Before the coup,
Yes.
the ruling party
Yes,
reduced it to 5 years.
5 years.
So why was there a coup? Why did they overthrow him?
Because of the management. The management was not.
He wasn't managing
yes,
well.
So since he has been in the seat, nothing has changed.
What's the atmosphere in Gabon? Gabonese
They
are
are happy.
happy.
Gabonese are happy. You can go on the web, go on the Google, you see that they are very happy. It has been a liberation for the country.
Some countries look liberated, but actually, anyway, we too they enjoy freedom. Yeah, we too enjoy our freedom. But I wanted to ask this question: in terms of money, like currency, foreign, I mean, the currency exchange. Okay, how difficult has it been? You came with Gabonese currency. What's your currency?
Safer.
CFA. Oh, you also spend. All the French countries they spend CFA.
Yes, but it's not the
Okay,
same.
it's not the same in terms of value, by
Yes.
the same currency.
It's the same kind of system. The same. No, you have West safer and Central safer.
I know that. So CFA,
Yes.
that's what you guys spend. And then there's the West
Yes.
CFA. Okay, so when you brought CFA to Ghana, or you changed it to dollars first,
No, okay. When I came my first time, yes, I changed it to dollars.
you change the CFA to dollars.
Yes.
So if you have CDs and you have CFA, and you have to change both to dollars, which one would you have? Would you end up having more dollars?
Safer.
CFA.
Yes.
So it means cost of living here is very high.
It's very hard. It
It's
has
very
become hard. It has become hard. Ghana too has become
That's why I was
hard.
telling you Ghanaians don't have money. So you have money.
I don't know what's happened or because of the depreciation of the money, but
It's
Ghana,
hard. Though.
it's nice. Now it has become hard. Even when I came, the houses was cheap,
Yeah.
but now something that was costing like 350 is not 800,000 in the lapse of time.
It's okay. Anyway, so just to wrap up, okay, you've shared a lot of experiences about your time in Ghana. It has been very interesting.
Thank you.
But I also want to know a little bit about Gabon. You've already said you're a very young population, 2 million, and it's even bigger than Ghana.
That's a big
Yeah. But I just want to know something. If I should come to Gabon today, okay, what places would you recommend I visit? I mean, what activities will I find myself doing in Gabon if I should go to visit Gabon today?
I will let you start that the food.
Food.
Yes, you have to change. I
Okay.
think if I you start by the food,
What are some of the local foods in Gabon?
local food. It depends of your tribes.
Okay.
Yes, depend of the tribes. My tribe is Kumu.
Kumu.
Yes.
How is it like?
It's like leaves.
Leaves.
Yes. We eat a lot of leaves there too.
What kind of leaves?
I don't think there is some in Ghana.
Like cassava leaves
No, not
or
cassava. We eat cassava leaves too. But I realize that in Ghana we don't eat. We don't. Ghanaians don't eat cassava leaves.
so far you've talked about your life in Ghana, your experiences. You shared your most challenging times here in Ghana also, and your good times too. So let me just ask you about just a few preferences, okay, so that we just wrap up. So apart from, let's put your jollof and wachi aside. Do you know any other dish? Any other Ghanaian dish? Yeah. No. So for you, it's wachi jollof. Wachi. Okay. So in terms of music, Ghana music or Nigerian music?
Ghana music.
Because you're in Ghana.
Yes, we because of Ghana. Listening more Ghanaian music than
But we play a lot of Nigerian music in Ghana.
Like me, I listen
More Ghanaian music. Who's your favorite Ghanaian artist?
I don't really have a favorite, but I like Sako.
Do you understand what Sarkodie says?
Yes, sometimes.
Rap what Sarkodie like.
Yes, Jennifer.
Jennifer. Jennifer Lomote. Hi. Do you know what that song means?
What does it mean?
You're a bad man. Anyway, so do you have any message for the viewers? This is 2024. This year, everybody in Ghana is saying we no go agree. You know what it means? We won't agree. No matter what is going on, negative energy, whatever, we will not agree. That be the theme for 2024, according to Ghanaians. But do you have any message for Ghanaians or for Gabonese, anybody watching for this year and beyond?
Let me just say that Ghana is a good country, and what is very good there is freedom and justice. And free, and there is some justice here. So you can walk in the night without fear instead of my country. My country, wherever you are, working in night alone is not advisable. So you need to work with some people, and life in Ghana is very sweet when you have money. So don't come here and think that Ghana is not expensive, because when you exchange or when you see that you have plenty notes, but this plenty note is nothing. It's very nothing. Because here we can change, okay, I have 100,000, so if I want to convert it in Ghana cedis, you see like, no, you get like 2,000. I think that 2,000 can be a lot of things. No, 2,000 is a small
2000
thing.
will finish right now.
Finish right now. So when you come here, do whatever you want to do. Be focused. This for the foreigners. And Ghana too, Ghanaians are they are good people. So I thought that when I come here, it will be difficult because we don't speak the same language, but they are open. It is true that some of them are not good, they are bad. It is everywhere. No one is perfect. This is my message, and thank you for all my Ghanaian fans. And thank you too for inviting me.
Sure. Yeah, so Chale, that was from Brian. He says stay focused, do what you for do to the best of your ability, then the rest left with God. Still make you know green. Yeah. So it has been Chale what happened with Stagger. Today we get Bradley for here from Gabon. But I for come Gabon.
Yes, yeah.
When are you going back?
Maybe the end of this year.
I beg you to go and take me.
Yes, I'll let you know.
You can go Gabon
Are you going back?
No, I'm going to look for the money,
and come back.
establish business, and come to
And
enjoy
come back.
here in Ghana.
We will go. We will
I
go.
will do like Davido and
Hey,
those
okay.
famous Nigerians. I
Oh.
like coming here to do party.
So you want to go and be like a sultan, big man, rich man, and you come and
Come and enjoy here in Ghana.
imagine.
It's freedom
And justice. Freedom and justice for the year inside. You have the freedom to watch my channel and do justice by subscribing and pay the yeah. So until next time, Charlie, I will see you for here again. Yeah. Sharp. Charlie, thanks for coming.
and
Yeah. Remember, order.